Hello there, welcome to today's weather forecast. There are few clouds in the atmosphere, and that is allowing for the insolation of the sun to reach the surface of the earth. That is actually what we are expecting for most parts of the afternoon, mostly sunny conditions, but the intensity is expected to increase as we move from the coastal sector north into the northern sector of the country. By this, temperature will rise to about 32 degrees Celsius around Accra and 31 around Takoradi, Azim. And then in the inland areas of the middle sector, we expect temperature to be around 33 degrees Celsius for the western parts, a little warmer in the eastern parts, 34 degrees Celsius for Ketekrache and places around. In the northern sector, we expect very warm temperatures, 37 degrees Celsius around Tamale and 39 degrees Celsius for Boko, Bogatanga and places around. The hazy conditions in the upper regions are expected to persist for the day, spreading across the upper parts of the country and parts of the northern region of the country. Tamale, Yendi will also have a feel of this hazy conditions. By late afternoon, we expect the hazy conditions to still persist for the northern sector of the country, mostly in the upper parts of the country. Temperature will drop to about 28-29 degrees Celsius, a little to 30 degrees Celsius for Navrongo and places around. But the major activity for southern Ghana will be in the southwestern parts of the country, where we expect thunderstorm activities to start developing later in the afternoon, going into the evening, to produce some rains for places around Kumase, Obuase, as well as Hafasini, Takwa Enchi, and Takrade, Azim along the west coast. Places around the eastern forested areas, Koforidia, Akim, Oda, will also have a feel of this thunderstorm activities later in the afternoon, going into the evening. Temperature will drop to about 25 degrees Celsius for the middle sector. A little warmer in Accra, 27 degrees Celsius is expected. By tomorrow morning, we expect further drop of the temperature to about 20 degrees Celsius in the upper east region, Boko, Bogatanga, Navrongo, and 21 around Wa, Bole. Tamale, we see about 23 degrees Celsius as the minimum for the day. In middle sector, we expect temperature to be around 23 degrees Celsius, a little warmer along the Volta Lake, especially in the northern parts, Kitekrachi and places around 25 degrees Celsius. And along the coast, we expect temperature to be around 24-25 degrees Celsius. Misty conditions will be seen in the mornings for the coastal sector, and the eastern parts of the country, Koforidua, Akimoda, will have fog patches dominating the early parts of the morning, and those in the western forested areas, Takwa, Benso, Enchi, Hafasini, Asankragwa, will also have these more fog patches, as well as areas around Wenchi are also expected to have the fog patches for the early parts of the morning. This will not let you see far as you use our roads in the morning, and therefore we will entreat all our road users to take caution. Have a nice day.